We offer a customer-focused service which relies on our big USP, which is flexibility and having a customer-centric environment. We're able to be flexible in terms of our approach with the customers, often working on 5 to 7 days lead times for some of our popular items. Being UK based as well, we're obviously able to offer technical support, and this is a big win scenario for us in terms of being a local manufacturer. As a business, we're based in the Midlands, so we're right in the heart of the country. We're able to distribute products within short lead time, so within just under or just over 1 working week. Our transport network and our logistics hubs allow us to be more flexible in our approach, often reaching customers in good time. Roof lights within projects are often an afterthought, which often means that we have to be quite reactive in terms of our approach to customers and their lead times. As a component manufacturer, we do work in situ with the system providers to ensure that we've got as much foresight with any upcoming projects as possible. Where possible, often working with the contractor, the system provider, to ensure that we've got lead times that marry up with the lead times and the timescale that the projects are running to. The main benefits of installing UK manufactured roof lights is down to the local knowledge and the local markets that we're able to offer as a business. We obviously adhere to UK and European standards as well, ensuring that our products are of a certain quality. The added advantage is the fact that we've got sales and technical support based in this country, so any aftercare or customer wraparound services that are provided, we're all on a local level, and we're able to oversee and overcome any issues that may happen on site pretty quickly.